How to fix BSOD video memory management internal error on Windows. 1. Run your app in its compatibility mode. For gamers, run your video games in window mode. 2. Uninstall Windows updates. In safe mode. 3. Update your graphics. Card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Repair corrupted system files via SFC and DISM command. 5. Test your RAM. Microsoft hotfix. For Windows Vista and Windows Server 2008 Google, you receive a stop error on a Windows Vista based computer or on a Windows Server 2008 based computer. Stop error code 0x00000010E, video_memory_management_internal, or stop error code 0x000000C1, special_pool_detected_memory_corruption. 7. Reinstall. Or reset Windows.